If you're like me, you got leftover corned beef and probably some potatoes too. If you don't have leftover potatoes, cook some potatoes, and then follow these steps for a great corned beef hash. We start off by dicing our potatoes and our corned beef into small cubes. Set them aside in a bowl. Give them a little squirt of oil. Season with a pinch of kosher salt and some freshly ground black pepper. And give them a little toss to combine. Now get yourself a small yellow onion and chop it up nice and small. And now we cook. Start off with a cast iron pan over medium heat. Add a scotch of oil, followed by a pat of good quality butter. Once it's melted and spread around, drop in your onions. Stir those kids around and cook them for about 5 minutes. We need 1 big clove of garlic. Create a landing spot for that kid, and with your garlic press, go ahead and press it in. Wait 30 to 40 seconds. When you can really smell it, when it's aromatic, go ahead and stir that into the onions. Then drop in your corned beef and potatoes. Mix everybody together to incorporate. Now crank your heat up to medium-high and flatten everything out. After about 5 minutes, flip it over in sections. Do your best to create some divots because you're going to need them. We're going to add 3 eggs. Drop your eggs into your divots and then add the whole pan to a 375 Fahrenheit oven for 11 minutes. After 11 minutes, bask in the gloriousness that you have just created. But wait, we're not done. Grab some Swiss cheese, freshly grated over the top. And then because we can and because we should, a little fresh parsley just to add a little green to make it pretty. And that is your corned beef hash. And that's corned beef hash. Don't eat boring food. And here's the moment of truth. The yolk poke. Oh, it's glorious. Look at the liquid gold oozing out of that egg. Don't eat boring food.